Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Miata soft top. First, gather all your tools and the new soft top. You'll need a clean, well-lit workspace, ideally indoors, to protect your car and the new material. Make sure you have a good set of wrenches, screwdrivers, and a trim removal tool. Always read through the new top's instructions before you begin to familiarize yourself with the specific steps for your model. Now, let's get that old top off. Begin by unlatching the soft top from the windshield frame and lowering it slightly. Next, you'll need to locate and remove all the bolts and fasteners that secure the top to the car's body and frame. Pay close attention to any hidden clips or seals. Once everything is detached, carefully lift the entire old soft top assembly away from your Miata, setting it aside. With the old top removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new soft top onto the existing frame, aligning all the mounting points. Begin securing it with the bolts and fasteners, working from the center outwards to ensure even tension. Make sure all seals are properly seated to prevent leaks. Take your time to ensure the top is taut and smooth, without any wrinkles or loose areas. After installation, perform a thorough check. Latch and unlatch the top several times to ensure it operates smoothly and correctly. Inspect the fit around all windows and doors, making sure there are no gaps or misalignments that could lead to leaks. A little care now saves a lot of trouble later. And speaking of staying prepared, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your new Miata soft top.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.